Would you be willing to travel with a group of friends just to learn how to cook? Well, we did just that. Good morning, guys. I am back in Chiang Mai for one quick night with Cam and Kelsey. Kelsey's actually getting some coffee right now, so I'm gonna meet her. We just stayed one night out here in Chiang Mai for a quick project, so I'm really excited for this video. A lot of you guys voted for it. I'm gonna be doing a cooking class, specifically a Thai cooking class, and the best one out here in Chiang Mai. So we're gonna get some coffee. They're gonna pick us up in the lobby at 8:30, and today is a half-day adventure at a Thai cooking class. I need to learn how to cook, but first off, I need to get some coffee.
Cheers, guys. Coffee does the body good. Cheers. Cheers. Shot. I think this is our guy.
Yeah.
Sawadee Kap.
Are you ready?
I'm ready. Chris.
Okay.
Nice to meet you. All right, guys, so we made it to the Jurin market. We're with Rachel right now.
Hi.
And we're starting out getting some spices.
Right, so for the spices we have 4. I think we run out of the khao soy, but we have green curry, red curry, khao soy, and Penang curry. So 4 choices of curry for you to choose today.
Okay.
Because today we're gonna make everything from scratch, and it should look something like this.
Okay, I'm excited. Let's
Right?
do it. Hey man, how much is the salty bottle over there? Hello? Is anyone else here? Hey man. Just sleeping on the job.
Now we stopped at the Jurin market to learn about the ingredients and the fresh, incredible food we'd be cooking that day. Being my first cooking class ever, this seemed like an amazing experience already, and boy, we were up for a treat. So we officially made it to Grandma's farm. I think that's the sign that said it right out there. And we are at Grandma's home cooking school out here in Chiang Mai. It's a beautiful day. Time to pick some vegetables and time to do some cooking. Now, I haven't done any cooking classes or any cooking schools, but the entire process here is so unique, from going to the local grocery mart to learning about the ingredients, all the way to their farm here where we pick vegetables, and then we get to do a little cooking.
Oh, I love these things.
So this is cool. This is like the menu selection on what we want to cook. They tailor it to like vegetarians, people who aren't vegetarians. And right before you cook, you get to select what you want to cook. So today, I will be cooking hot and sour chicken soup. Khao soy chicken, and being in northern Thailand, might as well cook some khao soy. I even got chicken pad thai, and we're gonna be doing a little mango sticky rice. So it looks like there's a class over there, and we are about to pick some crops. Got my trusty little basket.
Okay, so here we plant everything organically, and we plant everything in the same family, so this way it's easier for you to see the difference, because a lot of Thai herbs and vegetable, even it come from the same family, but most of the time we don't really use them to substitute each other because the smell and the taste is very big difference.
So we just finished picking the crops, time to cook. Now I'm ready. So they're moving my station from over there to over here so the lighting is better, and we are starting off with some drinks. This is Thai tea?
Yes.
Excellent, thank you. So for the first dish that I selected is hot and sour soup with chicken in it. Followed by khao soy, followed by pad thai, followed by mango sticky rice to end the day. So step 1, cut up lemongrass. 4 big pieces diagonal way. And then next we cut up the galangao, where you just cut it in half. This is the lime. Pull the center stem out, and now you got the lime ready.
Like crumple it?
Now, if there isn't anything that you like onions for me, like mushrooms, you don't need to put it in. So the last few items is a lime, a tomato, an onion. It looks like mushroom. I'm probably not gonna put the onion and mushroom in myself.
Oh, suck it up.
6 pieces, half birds and 2 ton parsley.
Okay.
Then
I love tomatoes, so I'm gonna cut this into 6 pieces. Once you're done cutting everything up, throw it right in the pot. And she's saying it only takes about 10 minutes to cook hot and sour soup. I have chicken in mind, so 10 minutes, we should be eating. Water. 1 centimeter. Thai chili paste that we got at the market earlier.
there.
A spoonful right into the pot. And you can't forget the chili. I got 1 Cam's got 6.
I'm a real boy.
So once almost everything's in the pot, you turn the flame on. Once it starts boiling, you can add the chicken and add the lime at the end. So you said we're looking for crazy bubbling?
Yes.
Crazy bubbling, and then we'll add the chicken and everything else, and then it's done. Add a little chicken. Oh! And then we can stir it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. She's got the stirring for me gently. Thank you. So after it was boiling, I just added the seasoning. We added some salt, some sugar, and some fish sauce. And then you stir it. So you can add soy sauce if you want, but for the authentic flavor, they recommend you add the fish sauce. I just added a little lime into it. Time to taste it. This is delicious. All right, so let's really try this out in sour soup with some chicken in it. Mmm.
Freaking genius.
This is so delicious. I didn't know I can cook like that. So now we're gonna cook pad thai.
Yes, and we're gonna make the sauce first, and then after that we're gonna prepare all the ingredient, put everything in order, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, done for pad thai.
Ooh.
Ooh, right in there. Fish sauce for us. And what sauce for you?
Soy sauce.
Soy sauce for vegetarians.
And then for me it's gonna be half each, half tablespoon of soy sauce, half tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, okay, and then for you, 1 tablespoon of mushroom sauce. There you go. 1 tablespoon of tamarind paste, 1 teaspoon of chili powder.
Right before or after the palm sugar.
If you don't really like spicy, a little bit is okay. Decide your own sexiness.
Damn.
Ooh, very sexy. Is
that a lot? Oh no.
Wow, sexy AF.
Alright, and then you mix the oil first. Then you can use the back of the spoon and squeeze it against the bowl like this, easier. So now you can make your own pad thai sauce.
Nice.
So next we're gonna prepare all the ingredients for pad thai. The first group we have firm tofu and shallot. Second group is the meat, chicken or shrimp. Third group is the egg. Fourth group is the medium-sized rice noodle. We already soak in warm water for you for 10 minutes already. Together with the sauce is the fourth group, and then last group is vegetable. We have bean sprout, carrots, and garlic chive. Okay, so let's prepare the first group first. Firm tofu, you cut it half, this, and then stack them up and go about this thin. Okay.
Okay.
And then shallot thin slices, so half first. Then just thin slice. And the reason that we use shallot here is because we have garlic smell from the chive already. This one, remember?
Yep.
So if you use garlic again, it's gonna be too strong garlic smell for pad thai. That's why we use shallot to balance the taste. Okay, first group done. Second group we already prepared for you. Crack the egg in. And then for the chive, this one we cut it about 1 inch, this big. Okay, so you have all the 5 groups, and then I'm gonna show you how to stir fry pad thai. Okay, 1 tablespoon of cooking oil is enough. Soybean oil. Spread the oil around the wok first,
Okay.
and then we're gonna bring it to maximum heat.
Maximum heat.
There you go. With the raw wok like this, it's very easy to tip over, so always hold a handle. Take with a slide of shallot.
Okay.
Nice bubbling around like that. Keep everything low drop first group in. Bring the sweetness from shallot out.
And then she threw the shrimp in.
And then let it cook one side first. See, with this type of the wok, it's really fast. So it's done, then open it up again. Egg goes in. Use the corner to break the yolk a little bit, but don't scramble it. We want both texture, yolk and white.
Okay.
And then slowly chop and stir. See, this way you get both texture. Then everything up again. Noodles and seasoning sauce. Slide the wok up so this part won't burn and the egg won't soak up all the seasoning sauce. Use the corner.
And how long does it take to cook on average?
Less than 2 minutes.
Less than 2 minutes. So this will be done in 2 minutes.
Yes.
And then you just throw that on top of that.
Yes.
All right. And then we got pad thai.
Good catch.
I don't know what happened back there, but here's my pad thai. And now we get to go eat it right in our spot. And pad thai is like one of my favorite dishes, and I'm so happy that I got to cook it for the first time. Pad thai complete. I am so full right now, but guess what? We have khao soi to cook and mango sticky rice for dessert. You ready, Cam?
Oh my god.
Get your cooking hat on.
This is what I came here for.
So khao soi is a popular dish primarily in northern Thailand. Now to start things off, no matter what curry you make, it starts with the same base, 3 dried spices and 7 herbs. Bottom of lemongrass, Thai ginger, shallot, garlic, kaffir lime, finger root, and turmeric. And for step 1, what you're gonna do is
Mince everything.
mince everything.
Mince everything.
Mince everything together. So black peppercorn, cumin, and cilantro seed is step 2, putting the 3 spices in. Step 3, add a pinch of salt. And you wanna hold it like this and start grinding it together. After you grinded it, you throw everything here into here and regrind it again. We're supposed to get it to be smooth like ice cream. Now we gotta put everything else in. Again, until it's smooth like ice cream. Keep grinding. So this is considered smooth as ice cream. Then you throw it in the pot. So after the paste is in the pot, you do half of the coconut milk. And then we're gonna cut this up. So the next step is, the paste is in there, I put half the coconut milk in there, and I cut this up as the topping for over there. And if you don't like onions like me, you don't need to put it in. Stir the curry paste. And you don't want to start the fire because this is very easy to burn.
First step, you turn the heat on, bring it to medium heat, and then keep stirring until you smell the paste. Once the curry paste is ready, no need to smell from the pot. The smell will keep, like right up here.
Okay.
Right, so I can smell my paste. Next is the chicken. Chicken or firm tofu, add it in. Then just gently separate a little bit. Once the chicken starts turning white, half cook it's okay. Then we add the rest of coconut milk in. And then for the seasoning, a pinch of salt. Add a pinch of salt in. 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. So for the chicken, once it turns white, we good to go. Turn the heat on.
All right.
That's it?
That's it. And then let's present our khao soi.
Woo! Put the curry on top of the noodles.
Yes.
And now the khao soi is done.
Yes.
Good work, Rachel. And this is the finished product of khao soi, Chiang Mai delicacy. Time to have lunch number 2. Time to try this khao soi.
Dude, this is probably one of the best. Hold on, can I see my camera?
It's so flavorful. It's really good. Kelsey, what do you think?
So good. I think this is my favorite.
Yeah,
More than pad thai.
The khao soi?
Uh-huh.
Nice. You got Cam getting some shots.
Oh, yeah, daddy.
Khao soi bangers, that's what we call them.
Wow.
Now, if you guys come out to Thailand and you haven't had mango sticky rice, did you really experience Thailand? No?
No.
And part of the class, if you guys take the morning class, they make you an incredible mango sticky rice dish we're about to enjoy to end the day. If you guys are in the afternoon session, you get to learn how to make it yourselves, but this looks so delicious. Thank you so much, Rachel. This is incredible. So we're gonna enjoy this, and this is the end of the cooking class, basically. All right, guys, what an awesome day out here at Grandma's Home Cooking School. I want to thank Rachel right over here for being an incredible teacher, chef, everything. Thank you so much for the hospitality and everything out here so far, Rachel. We really appreciate it.
Thank you.
It was awesome.
And I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. We literally came to Chiang Mai for one night and we learned how to cook, so it was awesome today. And a lot of you guys asked for a cooking video, so let me know how I did. I hope you guys enjoyed this cooking video. Comment down below. Make sure you guys smash the like button and also hit the subscribe. They're gonna drop us off at our hotel wherever we need. That's part of the package, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Cheers.